Turn around again. There's some metal in that tree right there. That metal roof over there got tore up.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're in Ohio Turnpike going to Michigan. We have a delivery for tomorrow morning at 6. And what happened? I was looking at weather conditions and they're gonna be bad in the south. I'm glad I'm here. Let me show you really quick how heavy is the load. This bike you get not a lot. The temperature is 36. This is the way. Sometimes you need to take an easy day, a chill day, because you need some kind of rest. Now you're gonna kind of work forever, right? The good thing we don't have the seal. We're gonna buy and put a seal, and we have just 3 pallets. Just 3 pallets. Always check the tops over there, right? To make sure the temperature is good and that. What we should talk? We should talk how to drive in the rainy day. Because people think it's just a rain. But often when it's a lot of water on the road, that can be messy. Can make things losing control of the wheel really, really fast. Now let's go inside the rest area to get some food, and I'll talk more about that. This is the location on Turnpike. What I like the plazas, because they're spacious. You can park at any time, at any hour, with not a single problem. Of course, the fuel, it's a little bit more expensive than usual because it's a plaza. It's not a truck stop where you can get some discounts on fuel. This is the guys, the flatbed guys. It's starting the season. They make the money now. And about the rain, if you put a bad tarp like that, you see that angle, and it's raining, you'll be in trouble. It's a claim of the load. This is why for flatbed drivers you need to be really, really careful with every load which requires tarp. Now let's take a look on the plaza here. The grass, it's green. The trees are still waiting to be wonderful and pretty. About the weather, it's cold, but I'm a Chicago boy. I got used already to all this cold, and finally we can walk like that. Oh, it's such a wonderful feeling. Oh my God. Okay. Let's go through the door. Let's go to the food court. See what? Hi. Just a Dunkin' Donuts, guys. No. Oh my God. In this case, we're gonna be left without the choice. We're gonna get some donuts, right? Yeah, let me get a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich.
Okay.
And some donuts. One of jelly.
One jelly.
And one maple vanilla cream.
Which one?
Maple vanilla cream. Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna spoil ourselves with some donuts. 2 donuts actually, and a sandwich. When I talk about the tricks about driving in the rainy day, for myself, I got a lot of that day, and it's hateful. Like you drive. Honestly, the comparison of dangers is almost like winter, beside no ice. But the water, the piles of the water on the road, if you see somewhere, are the same like ice. If you drive too fast, your ass of the car are gonna go left, right, and you'll be a really bad hurt. This is why the first recommendation: don't drive fast. Drive less with like 15 miles an hour than traffic or with the traffic, but keep a big distance between cars. Any bad situation, you're gonna have more time to react on what's happening. The second one, guys, if you can stay home, don't get on the road the first couple hours, because it's always just accidents of them asses who cannot drive and do whatever they can, like grandmas, young guys, street guys. And the plus, if you have a 4x4, that it's an easy day, right? And in general, guys, be safe, still going to make that dollar. Take care, subscribe.
Weather headlines: 2 rounds of storms this week. Tomorrow and Wednesday, heavy rain, damaging winds, even a chance of a couple of tornadoes. Right now on the WVTM 13 Live Doppler, little false echoes around the center of the radar site. Otherwise, no sign of any rain or storms here. Meanwhile, storminess is brewing back in the nation's midsection. As you can see, one tornado watch in effect west of Dallas. Showers and thunderstorms breaking out here. That's just the beginning. More and more Gulf moisture is coming into the system, so it will be a factor here tomorrow. And that means saying goodbye to this. It's just beautiful. 78 in Birmingham, 80 in Alabaster, 78 Clanton, 76 for you folks in Anniston, 80 degrees at Fayette and Tuscaloosa. The winter, 81 at Utah, so really warm there. Your 12-hour forecast for tonight, no problems this evening. If you're going out, just fine. The weather's going to be comfortable, in fact. Clouds will gradually increase tonight. By daybreak, somewhere around 7 a.m. or so, we'll call that impact weather then. Possibility of rain and thunderstorms, especially over the western third of the area. In fact, that's the way it looks at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning on our model forecast. Couple rounds of heavy rain coming in. I think the most widespread impact tomorrow with the first system will be heavy rain and flooding and some lightning and thunder. As you can see at 10 a.m., it's just pouring in much of the area. Just nasty stuff to be outside. But this goes away very quickly. Later on Tuesday afternoon, it's going to begin to dry out. I don't know that we'll get much sunshine, but it will look better. Severe risk tomorrow basically is a slight risk through much of the area. Tuscaloosa to Anniston, heavy rain and flooding, damaging winds to 60, maybe a tornado. Higher severe threat further south, including Peach Country tomorrow. On Wednesday, it's a different animal. It's mostly during the afternoon and night. Possibility of a few tornadoes in here. And as you can see, the enhanced area, which is a 3 on a scale of 1 to 5, covers much of the area from Tuscaloosa to Birmingham. This could last into the evening hours on Wednesday.